Hey my friends, I'm here again today with, I told you I was gonna fry me some shrimp. So I'm gonna show you how I season my fried shrimp. I'm gonna put them in my deep fry over there. I'm gonna make me some french fries. That's gonna be the dinner for tonight. So welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Retired Shenanigans. I do all type of videos, basically cooking. I want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Come on along into this kitchen with me and let's fry some shrimp. These are the shrimp. I'm draining them in my strainer because I don't want them to be so wet. So they drained out some. We're going to season them. We're going to use some Obey. Obey is for seafood, but you can use Obey on anything, not just seafood. We're going to use this garlic and herb. They was all washed up already. I'm going to squeeze a little lemon. Get me a glove. And mix it all up. I don't want them too salty. I was going to use this in the flour, but I'm not going to use Obey. I'm going to put some soul seasoning in the flour and some of this. And then we're going to put them in the pot and get them all hot. We're going to put it in our deep fryer and cook them up. Where's my soul food seasoning? Soul food seasoning. I used to use this all the time. Oh, that's the wrong place. Oh well, we're going to put it in here, the flour. And we're going to put some of this in the flour. Let me get another glove. Let me get another glove and stir this up because I ain't mean to put that in there, but it's going to be all right. I don't think it'll be too salty because Obey is kind of salty. That's why I didn't want to use it in the flour. Okay, we all mixed up and we all ready to go. Okay, I put my first batch in the flour. We're going to put it in the deep fryer because I'm smelling the grease. It smells like it's hot. So, let's see. Oh yeah, it's hot. It's sizzling there. So, I'm gonna make me some french fries. French fries will go with it. Now, y'all know shrimp don't take long to cook, so I'm going to go get my plate and get ready for it to be coming out. First batch. Look how they look. Nice and crispy. Yep, yep. So we're going to put the other ones in here now. this is the shrimp and french fries. I made me a little tartar sauce to go with it. But I'm going to taste one of these shrimps right now. And I'm going to let you know how it tastes. They are good. Once I dip it in the tartar sauce, it's going to be better. So, thank you for watching. If you made it, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, come back. Come back and watch more that I have for you guys. I'm putting them out there. I'm going to keep trying my hardest to get where I need to be. And I know with you guys' help, I'm going to get there. But fried shrimp and french fries for today's dinner is a beautiful thing. They taste good. Once again, subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you for watching. See you on the next one.